Charcuterie board making. Aray ko! So I love charcuterie boards because they are so great for parties. I love hosting parties and just this just looks so aesthetic, and there are different flavors, textures, colors and shapes that there's really something for everybody. And you have protein from the meat, and then you have good fat from the nuts, and then you have carbs with crackers, cheese, and then you have fresh fruits. So like, wow, it is jam-packed and literally so fun and easy to make. So first we're gonna get our board. Today we are using a personalized clear tray gifted and a wooden board, which is something more common. The star of the board are actually the meats, because charcuterie was originally just for meats. So here we have jamon serrano, prosciutto, chorizo, and mortadella. Again, there are different meats with different shapes, so it would be good to space them around. If your board is big, make them reachable in all sides. And then here, we're folding it to make it more manageable and pretty. Next star is we have the cheeses. So here we have Gouda, blue cheese, camembert, buratina, and goat cheese. So there are also different types of cheeses. There are soft cheeses, hard cheeses. Some taste a little sharper, a little creamier, sweeter. So it's good to have a variety as well. And then we have nuts and fruits. So we have grapes and dried cranberries to add a little bit of sweetness and more texture. They're good fillers as well. So lastly, I add in the carbs to keep the crisp. So here's the final product. Again, you can get creative with this. You can just put your favorite food, just make it pretty, add chocolates, it's Valentine's, I don't know, whatever. I hope you enjoyed though. Like, subscribe. Thank you.